Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the app switcher so you can move between apps quickly. For Face ID models, swipe up from the bottom and pause, don't lift too fast. For Touch ID phones, double-click the Home button. Once done, you'll see app cards stacked. Make sure gestures are enabled in Settings, Accessibility, and Touch if swipe doesn't work. This gets you into the multitasking view where you can choose or close apps efficiently. With the app switcher open, swipe left or right to scan the app cards and locate the one you need. Tap any card to jump back into the app. This is how you switch context without returning to home. If you have many apps open, use a quicker two-finger swipe to traverse cards faster. Make sure to pause briefly on a card to reveal additional app previews. This helps you confirm the right app before selecting it. To finish, close apps by swiping their cards up off the screen. This forces them to quit when needed. If the app switcher freezes or gestures fail, restart your iPhone first because that resolves most transient issues. Make sure iOS is up to date to avoid bugs. Go to Settings General Software Update. If problems persist, try resetting all settings. Your data stays, but custom settings revert. This sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.